Good afternoon, everyone. We are all celebrating Social Week celebrations. As a part of Social Week celebrations, today we are celebrating Day 4 International Flag Fest. We all know that we have 193 countries. The 7 continents are there. In each continent, we have some countries, right? Yes. All over the world, we have 193 countries. And one of your friends, Saagnika, now she is going to present 40 flags of the different countries on the cube. All are ready? Yes. Let us begin now.
Good afternoon everyone. My name is Saagnika. I am studying in 5th class. I am from Hanmakonda branch, Warangal zone.
Austria, Kosovo, Sierra Leone, Argentina, Peru, Taiwan, Cambodia, New Zealand, China, Lesotho, Palau, Spain, Kazakhstan, Bangladesh, Kyrgyzstan, Algeria, Belize, Latvia, Cuba, El Salvador, Canada, Saudi Arabia, Japan, Qatar, Lebanon, Bahrain, Hong Kong, Gabon, Australia, Nigeria, Paris, Maldives, Tonga, Somalia, Turkey, next New E, Guatemala, Chile, Gambia, India.
Thank you.
Now I'd like to welcome our principal ma'am to appreciate her.
Good afternoon, everyone. Really, I am very happy how the child was presented on the national flag on the cube. It's really wonderful.
Saagnika, really you have done a great job. So, from our principal ma'am and from the management of Sri Chaitanya, you have a surprise. You are excited?
Yes, teacher.
Really?
Really.
So, everyone give a big round of applause to Saagnika and get ready for the surprise, all of you.